Including distinguished Senator John Afara, the Right Honorable Dr. Austin Afara, DSSRF, former Deputy Speaker of Federal House.
This landmark occasion, Sir Celestine Omehia, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of a very precious state that everyone is fighting to take control of. The Speaker of the River State House of Assembly, Right the Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo. Let me take it this way. I don't want to go through the normal protocol, but let me go this way, please. Just allow me. Our leaders, in no special order, Right the Honorable Sir Austin Opara, distinguished Senator John Mbata, our great leader, the only one who knows how to manage party. His duty is to manage party. Chief Secondos. Dr. Sam Jaja, Alaba Senator A.M. Pepple, Senator Lee Meba, the Wakenu Chief, Abia Sekebo, there are so many. But let me use the last person as the point of contact. Chief Ambrose, who is also an indigene here, a contact to other leaders that are here with us. The Secretary to the State Government, and other members of the State Executive Council that are here. The Chairman of this great LGA. LGA that have given me Dikoha, one. Another local government chairman that are here. The chairman of the River State Council of Traditional Rulers. The former chairman, who is also my own king, that is here with us. His Highness that is also standing in for the majesty of this great kingdom. Another royal father that are here with us. Permanent secretaries, head of departments, other guests invited, our women, our youth, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Etche rienu. Etche ngonu. Etche kanka. Etche kanka. Omuma, you also here now. Rienu. Kanu. I feel very happy to be here. Unfortunately, we are running this program a bit late. It is not in our nature to keep people waiting, but we had some developments. This morning, we had to flag off, or will I say, declare an event open. This event has to do with tax administration. The Joint Tax Board had their section, the 56th section in Rivers State today. And being a former accountant general and somebody who understands the importance of tax, which is even what is going to help us to execute this project, I had to attend that program to also give them my own support and strategy so that we can get more internal generated revenue so that we can embark on more projects. So I want to apologize for keeping you much than necessary. But the most important thing is we're here now to carry out this function. What we're doing today is to tell the Etche people, thank you. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for believing in us. And thank you for still standing with us. Our thank you will not be limited to the construction of road alone. Our thank you will still extend in the development of your people, manpower development. But if we finish the road and we don't have the right manpower, the rightful employment, the rightful engagement for our youth, the road is still useless. But we're not going to limit it to just the road. But we will bring agricultural development to Etche, knowing fully well that Etche is the food basket of the state. So what I've come to do this afternoon is to do the preparation, the road that we're going to use to transport, export those products that we are going to generate here. So I want to thank you for believing in us. I want to ask you specially to give the contractor the necessary support so that this project will be achieved in 6 months. If we have to extend this project, let the extension be because of the request that is being made here, that we need the road to connect the neighboring states. And I feel greatly that what is worth doing is worth doing well. So I hereby direct the Honorable Commissioner for Works to extend this project as requested by the Etche people. I know you're wondering, why did I choose a son of the soil to come and flag off this project? I've chosen somebody who understands the terrain. Somebody, in fact, this local government used to be, for those of you who were born yesterday, it used to be something they call Etche. Before the division, you understand? Yes, so the person who is coming to flag off this project is somebody who understands you, who knows the need of this project. So that when he will talk to you, he will tell you what you need to hear. He will speak the language that your caller understands, so that you will give this project the needed support. I am also aware that once a good thing is about coming, there will be sabotage. You don't need to fall into that trap. At the end of the day, this project belongs to the Etche people. It doesn't belong to Fubara. I'm not doing it with my money. It will be wrong for me to say that I'm doing it. The Rivers State government, under my administration, is executing this project. So it's not about me. It's about the people that we're serving. It's about the legacy we're leaving. And it's about the people that we're going to live happy when we leave the office. So let me thank every one of you that have come to witness this occasion and to assure you that our policy is not to flag off. Our policy is flag off, complete, and commission. We had to do this. It's not our style to come and flag off. But because of the importance of this road, the very, very significance of this road will cut across even in front of the houses of those people who want to kill us. So that I want to tell them that those things that they couldn't do for them, that we're not looking at their faces. What we're doing is for the people of Etche. So let me, on this note, invite our special guest of honor. Come and talk to your people. These are your people. Speak the language they will understand. Solicit for their support so that this project will be executed and completed within time. And we'll come back here to say, thank you for supporting us. Use your road to the glory of God. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
Members of River State Executive Council, members of National Assembly, past and present here, our traditional rulers, I greet you. The chairmen of different local government councils here present, and the authentic leaders and lovers of River State, not those on exile. We have authentic, known leaders who are the true leaders of River State. The Secretary to the State Government, Your Excellency, permit me to stand on the existing protocol. I'm highly delighted, Your Excellency, and have the privilege to be given this opportunity to lay the foundation for the commencement of this road. Etche chikau, Etche kankau, ndeze Etche chikau, chikau, nkamuragyo. Excellency, it shouldn't surprise you. I'm happy you recognize one fact that I'm part of it. The fact is that I schooled in County Grammar School, Kekere-Ekun. The school, people say it is shared between Kekere and the Etche people. But then it's an international school. And so I have good relationship with the people of Etche, and I understand them and they understand me. I'm happy that I am part of your history for infrastructural rural development of River State, particularly in Etche. I am not going to take that privilege for granted. I thank you for giving me that privilege to be part of the River State government move for the development of River State. Etche is the cassava belt of Nigeria. The highest level or quantity of cassava developed in Etche and Kekere put together can feed Nigeria for as long as it can. Your Excellency, one other thing we must understand is even the palm trees, both the ones planted in resin palm and the ones here, are also important for the economic growth and development of Nigeria. So this road is of economic importance to Nigeria and to River State. The connectivity of it, crossing 3 different ethnic nationalities or clans in Etche, makes it very, very important that Etche people are now being remembered in the history of the development of Rivers State. Etche people, I congratulate you. I'm sure you will see this project as your own. It's so that you must defend it, protect it, and give the contractor the best support for the completion of the project. The foundation we are laying today is going to be for generations to come. It's not going to be for only today. It is such that children born or yet to be born will use this road. And therefore, we thank the governor of Rivers State. We thank the government of Rivers State also for remembering Etche, Afara, and all other communities that will benefit from this. On your behalf, I say, Your Excellency, thank you very much. There is one thing I must say here. Your Excellency, before I was sworn in as governor of Rivers State, we were trained to know that outside Mr. President, outside the federal government at the center, Rivers State is the next highest state to be respected. The simple reason is that the economic lifeline of Nigeria is in the hands of Rivers State. Not just the oil, but the other economic and agricultural produce are also from Rivers State. High and better than any other state in Nigeria. And that's why Nigeria must, as a fact, respect Rivers State. Yes, but the problem is, many Rivers children who are outside Rivers State try to bring Rivers State down. If you demarcate your own state, if you demarcate your state, no person will respect your state. There are many people outside Rivers State trying to demarcate Rivers State. 2-3 years ago, Your Excellency, some leaders of the state have always said ministers from Rivers State must bring projects to Rivers State. Today, we are asking questions. How many projects from federal government are here in Rivers State? When Farotimi Amechi was the minister, people were asking questions to say, what are the projects you have brought? Today we're asking the same question. We have the same status, in the higher status of minister. We are asking, how many projects have you brought into Etche? How many projects have we received in Ikwere local government? How many projects have we received in Ikwere ethnic nationality? We are waiting. If you don't love your state, it simply means you don't love yourself. Because any person who says his father's house will burn down, he is also burning down himself. Rivers State must stand to grow. We must all put hands together with the governor of Rivers State to grow Rivers State. I use this opportunity to thank our sons and daughters from Etche who are putting hands together with the governor to make sure that the state and the Etche grows very well. I use our friend, Chief Ambrose Wuzi, the Obuga one of Etche. I think it's Etche Buruburu. Etche can't count. Etche Mekano. All of you who have been putting hands to work with the governor to make sure the state succeeds, the state grows, please do not go back from it. When the governor stabilizes, many more will come. Just a week or 2 weeks ago, the governor commissioned a road here in Etche leading to 2 local governments, Etche and Omuma. That is the benefit of working with the government of Rivers State. We also know that the governor has mapped out so many other projects for the benefit of Etche people. Therefore, Etche has no reason whatsoever to pull backwards. We must all work for the benefit of our state and for ourselves. Your Excellency, I don't want to talk too much. May you permit me, Your Excellency, to declare the road officially commissioned. And let us, Your Excellency, I invite you and I
You need gloves? Yeah. Okay. Capture the plane. Yes,